Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change region in Riot account. For that, you need to just come to the riotgames.com, and here you need to provide your username and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account first. After that, you can request a change in your region of the residence from this page. So if that doesn't work, you can submit a ticket with the following information. So on this page of support, you will be able to see the section from which you can try to change the region. So as you can see that we have the option. So you just have to try to submit the request, and if that doesn't work for you, then you can even submit a request, and in it you just have to provide your username, your right ID and the tagline, your email address, your current ROR and the ROR that you want to transfer to. So basically your current region, and then you just have to provide the region in which you want to transfer to. After that, these changes can only be made to match your physical location, and changing your region of residence will erase your current ranked seasons progress, match history and purchase history. You need to note that once you transfer your account to the different region of residence, you cannot transfer it again for the 90 days. So you just have to simply keep these instructions in mind, and you can start the process of requesting the changing of your region in Riot account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.